All right, here's a level 5 type question. We're being asked to find the area of the triangle, and we're missing sides A and side B, and we know this angle and we know the hypotenuse. All right, so let's figure that out. I'm just going to resize this guy. I'm also going to turn it like that, and then resize. Okay. All right, because we're talking about 47 degrees here, we're going to say that this is the opposite side. The 17 is going to be the hypotenuse. All right, it's the hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle, and it's also the longest side of the triangle, of the right angle triangle. And that leaves with B as being the adjacent. Okay, so to figure out what A is going to be, we're going to say the sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse, and the theta we're looking at is 47 degrees. So sine of 47 degrees is our unknown A over our hypotenuse of 17. And to get A alone, I'm going to get rid of the 17 by multiplying both sides by 17, or cross-multiplying the 17 times the sine of 47 degrees, which we can just plug that into our calculator, is 12.43301. It goes on forever, but I rounded to 5 decimal places. Okay, and it's the units are decameters. Okay, so that's the A. Now at this point we could use Pythagoras' theorem to figure out B, right? Or you could say, look, the cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, right? And we know what theta is, and we know what the hypotenuse is, so to get the adjacent, we're just going to cross-multiply. So cos of 47 degrees is B over 17. To solve for B, I'm going to get rid of the 17. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 17, or cross-multiply the 17. So we have 17 times cos of 47 degrees is B, and 17 times the cos of 47 degrees, we can work that out with the calculator, is 11.59397 decameters. Okay, the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Okay, so the area is base times height divided by 2. The base is our adjacent, the height is our opposite. So the base is 11.59397 decameters times the height, which is 12.43301 decameters. Divide that by 2. That gives us 72.074 decameters squared. Okay, now I only went to 3 decimal places because, here, let me just get the calculator out to show you. I don't have that number. Okay, hold on. Yeah, I was doing my work in a spreadsheet, so I got it. My answer is 72.0740026. So if I rounded my answer to 5 decimal places, the 2 tells the 0 to stay 0. So I'm going to write 400. And I thought, now I better just not write the zeros. So 72.074, in case you were wondering about that. All right, so let's take that number and enter it into our program and see if we're right. Okay, so we put the number in. I'm just going to put the units. So decameters squared, because we're talking about area. And yay, it's right. All right, and that's how you're going to do the area using trigonometry. Okay, so that's it for the trig levels 1 to 5. Have a good day.